I'm Jennifer, and I'm so glad you're here because I have some wonderful ideas about storing ribbons and bows. I love organizing, and I can't wait to show you my ideas and some other great ideas as well. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. To make a ribbon stand, you could use a scrap piece of wood or flat piece of wood and drill a hole in the top, inserting a dowel rod, or glue it on, or nail the dowel rod from the bottom. Then you can simply just slide your ribbon right over the dowel rods to stand and display all of your ribbon. You could even use a paper towel holder to slide your ribbon right over the top and stack the ribbon. To save space, you can take your ribbon off the rolls and wrap it around cardboard and then just secure it with a rubber band. Then you can line it up nice and neat in a small basket or box. If you prefer to hang your ribbon, you can take a long piece of twine, tie a loop at the top for hanging, and then at the bottom just put something straight, a pencil, an ink pen, or even just a small dowel rod, and tie it on. Then just simply slide your ribbon down over the piece of twine, and you can easily hang up the ribbon, and it's easy to get it off and on the rolls. You can display your ribbon in a basket, and if it has holes in it, you can simply just poke the ribbon right through the holes. That way you can easily pull the ribbon out and get just as much as you need when you need it. And if you want to keep it really secure, you can also slide a dowel rod through the end of the basket so that all the ribbon will stay aligned inside of the basket. Using a divided tray in a drawer is a great way to display your ribbon, so that way it's cleaned up and out of the way, and you can easily open the drawer and see exactly what you're looking for. I love the idea of storing ribbon in a glass container. It looks beautiful sitting out, and it always stays nice and neat inside of the container. This hanger is designed for hanging pants. However, the end lifts up, and you can lift up the end and slide the ribbon on and put it back into place. This way you can easily hang the ribbon in your closet. This rack is made for hanging guns. However, you can just slide a dowel rod right over each gun rung and slide the ribbon right on the dowel rods. It's the perfect idea for displaying and hanging and organizing your ribbon. These bottles are made for spices and herbs, but you can easily put your twine in and let the ribbon come out through the hole, and you can screw the lid on to keep the ribbon in place and keep it from sliding down into the jar. A hanging gift wrap organizer is a great idea to keep bows and ribbons nicely organized. You can hang it up out of the way, and it's easy to take in and out of the closet when you want to find just what you're looking for. These are available at many locations. I love storing bows in these wonderful boxes from the Dollar Tree. They stack so nicely, and whenever I'm looking for a bow, I can just pick up the box and look at the bottom to see exactly what's in the box. They're only $1.25. A tiered tray is also a really nice place to display your ribbon. It looks beautiful, and it's easy to find all of the ribbon that you're looking for. If you have ribbons that are just remnants and they're no longer on a roll, the best way to store those is just take a safety pin and poke through one end. Once you get all the ribbons hung on the safety pin, you can easily hang them over a hook, or you can put them on a little coat hanger and hang them up in a closet or on a little rack or shelf. Once I've opened my ribbon, to keep it from coming unrolled, I just put a rubber band right around the center, and it holds it in place just fine. I'm so glad you're here. I had so much fun putting together these wonderful organizing ideas for ribbons and bows, and sharing some other ideas as well. I hope you find this inspiring to get your craft room in order. I'll be so happy if you click the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.